In this video, I'm going to show you the process for updating the WordPress version on your WordPress website. Generally, updating a WordPress version is a very straightforward process and doesn't cause issues to your site layout, but it is important to take a backup of your site before you do the update, just to ensure that there are no clashes with your theme version or any of the plugins that you're using. So you can run a backup of some backup plugins or off your hosting panel. But right now what we're going to do is we're just going to select to update this WordPress version. You can see it brings me to the WordPress Updates page. It also shows me the plugins that are currently out of date, so we can update those later. But for the moment, all we need to do is select Update Now. And once the updates run, it will bring you to the WordPress panel that gives you the indication that the update has run successfully. It will give you any updates on the version that you're using and anything that's new with that version. The next thing to do is to then check the front end of your site, make sure that there's no issues with the compatibility and how it's loading. And then what we want to do, so this all looks fine. Then what we want to do is go and update our plugins. So to do that, just go to your plugins menu. And you can see I've got a number of plugins here that I'm actually not using that are disabled. So I can just go through and update the plugins that I am using and that I'd like to update. And then the same process, just check the front end of the site again to make sure that there's no issues. And you should have your site running on the latest version of WordPress and also the latest version of your plugins.